So in 2021, you bought a 2-year-old truck, 2019, and you bought it for 140,000.
Correct.
So that is a little bit on the high side, but again, everything was really expensive back then. I can't say you overpaid for it because everything was really expensive back then.
It was because of the Corona time.
Yes.
I put 25,000 down, and we financed $115,000 from bank.
And what's your monthly payment?
$3,300.
$3,300. Okay. And for how long?
It's for 60 months,
Oh.
and they told me it's cost me 11% interest rate.
They lied to you, my friend. They lied to you. Hold on one second. 60 months times $3,300 is $198,000 plus $25,000. Holy shit. So I want you to know that it's not actually 11%. It's your payments are $3,300 plus HST or with HST?
Plus HST.
I want you to know that you're paying 23.5%. Nope. 23.8%.
And what can I do right now?
I'm really sorry, but there's really not much that you can do. Are you a homeowner? You have your own home?
Yes, but I have a mortgage on it.
Honestly, there's really not, because you're a homeowner, there's really not much you can do. The only thing I could tell you is that you did not pay 11% on it. If you have something in writing from your broker that you paid 11%, that you're supposed to pay 11%, you're actually paying 23.9%. All right, I cannot believe that these things still happen, okay? The guy's paying $3,300 on a $140,000 truck. He bought a 2019 for $140,000. Not crazy outrageous, okay? I've seen a lot worse for purchase prices. Now, I didn't get into the amount of miles or kilometers, but what I do know is there are a lot of financing crooks out there, and this is a perfect example of it. If he's financing $115,000, you guys think the markup on trucks is a lot? I mean, this is insane. $115,000, 23.9%, 60-month loan, okay? The guy's paying $3,300. He's paying $83,000 in interest over the course of 5 years. I mean, how many times do I have to drill this to you guys? Don't ever believe the finance company that works at the dealerships, and don't only work with one person, one broker, one lender. It doesn't work like that in our industry. People are out there to make money, and people are out there to take advantage. Some finance companies will take advantage of you just like this broker did. A homeowner should never pay more than 11% on a 60-month loan. I want you to see what it does here to the payments. Consultation with me. Before financing this truck, I could have saved the guy $800, multiply that by 60, from one phone call with me, okay? One consultation, I could have saved the guy $48,000 in interest. All he had to do is book a consultation with me. I would have gotten the right finance companies, the right lenders here that should have charged him no more than 11%, especially because he's a homeowner. I would have probably done it under 48 months, and he still would have paid $2,900, which is a lot less than what he's currently paying right now. I mean, it boils my blood when I see these things. Guys, how many times do I have to tell you? Use my link that I've created. It's a link for financing. It gets distributed between 7 or 8 different lenders. They will compete for your business. They'll get you the most competitive rates. And I hate hearing these stories. I mean, come on. $48,000 just went to the garbage right now. Unfortunately, in this situation, I mean, the guy is having a hard time. Obviously, he's having a hard time, and there's no light at the end of the tunnel. 2019, imagine what's going to happen next year and the year after. Repairs, maintenance, the breakdowns that are going to happen, tow bills that are going to happen. And on top of that, he still has to make $3,300 payments. So in really tough situations, guys, you are able to go onto truckingacademy.us. Basically, it's a platform that I developed with all the documents that we need in the trucking industry. And one of the documents here is a financial hardship grace letter. And this grace letter, basically you can send it to any lender or to a landlord, letting them know the situation. It's already pre-populated there. You can let them know the situation, what's happening in our industry, and you can defer your payments with this letter. Okay, so you can request for 3 months, 4 months, maybe interest only, defer the payments, but use this letter, guys, to help you out. But at the end of the day, guys, you shouldn't be in this mess to begin with, guys. Ask for help. Have somebody read it. Have somebody review it. Compare between brokers, compare between financing companies, between lenders, get a couple of offers, okay, in front of your face before you sign. I mean, I hate to see this kind of stuff happen. Take it from me, I mean, if you do need my help, feel free to reach out, but find yourself somebody that can help you in these situations, especially when you're financing a truck. It's a big purchase. You know, the markup on these trucks, $10,000, $15,000, the finance company breaks the most amount of money, okay? Hopefully you learned something from this video. I'm Ronen, and I'll catch you in my next one.